21 Small Bathroom Decorating Ideas. If your landlord prohibits painting or if you think the task is too messy, then it's time to get creative with peel and stick vinyl. Options that stand up to moisture and condensation work best in bathrooms. Can't stand that old oak cabinet in your bathroom? Or maybe you wish your wall-mounted sink had built-in storage? Whatever the case, consider swapping it out with a vanity suited for your taste and needs. When your lease is up, take it with you. Just get your landlord's written consent before installing. What's the single bathroom decorating idea we think everyone should crib? Ditch your bath mat for a real rug in vibrant colors. It's a teensy change that will instantly boost a drab space. Peruse more photos of this adorable space designed by Amber Interior Design. If your bathroom has a wall-mounted sink instead of a vanity cabinet, a lovely sink skirt will create some concealed storage space while hiding exposed pipes. Indigo Ochre designed this gorgeous powder room. When it comes to economics, wallpapering a bathroom usually costs a lot more than painting. But that doesn't mean you have to forfeit pattern to save money. A hinged door that swings inward can eliminate the amount of usable space in a teensy bathroom. Swapping it out with a pocket door would be ideal, but that requires tearing out a portion of the wall. Lucky for you, we have 2 more solutions for this frustrating dilemma. This bright and airy powder room was once a colorful purple disaster. Amazingly, it took only a few simple tweaks, fresh paint and new shades for the sconces, to make it so much better. No, we didn't forget to mention the wallpaper. That's because the graphic wall was painted freehand. Mix and match design created this budget bathroom makeover. Eye-catching artwork hung on a wall painted a bold shade will distract the eye away from the ugly in a small bathroom. Bathroom designed by Hilary Thomas Interiors. How do you turn a bathroom remodeled during the Eisenhower administration into a bohemian oasis? Two insanely simple decorating tricks increased this tiny bathroom storage space. Is your brown and beige bathroom stuck in the 1980s? An injection of art and color will bring it up to date. So you don't have a luxurious marble bathroom. You can still make things glamorous with gold accents. Features and fixtures from a glitzy shower rod to a golden faucet, which are both typically a cinch to install and later remove on moving day, are available in a broad range of styles and prices. See the rest of this apartment on Sweeten. Add a punch of pizzazz to a lackluster bathroom by heading out to your local garden center. A few houseplants suited to your bathroom's unique conditions, think natural light and room temperature, will brighten the space with color and texture. See how Maker styled this bathroom 3 more ways. This project from Go House Go may be the most satisfying DIY bathroom ever. When it comes to decorating, paint is a silver bullet for ugly. Here its magical powers turned a beige builder-grade bathroom into a chic powder room. But our favorite idea from this transformation from the Makerista has nothing to do with painting. See the lovely round mirror? It was stuck on top of the original one with double stick mounting tape. What to do with that big bare wall? Turn it into a snappy feature with removable peel and stick floor tile. You'll need to use the vinyl stuff that stands up to water and humidity. Home Depot and Lowe's offer different options in a wide range of textures, colors, and sizes that resemble real wood and luxurious stone. The Weekender shares how to fake this rustic accent wall. Disguising an ugly bathroom floor is much easier than you think. Interior designer, Cara Michelle, concealed hers using a water-resistant vinyl floor cloth that she custom-cut to fit. Add dramatic contrast to a white bathroom with black fixtures and accessories. FYI, installing a new faucet is usually an easy and also reversible update if the new fixtures fit the existing holes in the sink or countertop. See more of this pitch-perfect bathroom by HomePolish. This vintage bathroom redo only cost $200. Celebrate your personal story by customizing your bathroom with character-building accents. Since you can't rip it all out, make peace with your pink bathroom by playing it up. Here a marble-inspired mirror, patterned wallpaper, and a painted vanity complement the pink tile. If you want to tone down your bathroom's pink features, add vibrant, contrasting colors like blue and green, which will distract the eye. Bathroom decorated by Red Egg Design Group. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.